Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 Assessment Homes. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance and other courses. We can move to the instruction file. Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 ML2 Riverwood Realty and go to the step number 1. So the step number 1 is a start Excel, download and open the file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 Assessment Homes. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. Step number 1 is complete. Go to the next question, is question number 2. Question number 2 is freeze the pen so that the column label do not scroll off screen. Freeze the pen so that the column label. Go to the Excel worksheet and column label. Go to the view tab. Column label do not screen off a screen. And go to the view tab, select the freeze pen, select the freeze pen, top row. Step number 2 is a complete. Go to the next step, is step number 3. Convert the data to the table and name the table cells. Convert the data to the table. Go to the insert tab and select the table A1 to H19. Click OK. Insert a table and the name of the table cell. Copy the name. Go to the table design and table name box is cells. Press enter button. Step number 3 is complete. Go to the next step, is step number 4. Apply a purple table style dark tan to the table. Purple table style dark tan. Go to the Excel worksheet and table style. Click on more table style. Purple table style dark tan. Purple table style dark tan. Purple table style dark tan. Click OK. Apply the purple table style dark tan. So step number 4 is complete. Go to the next step, is step number 8. Step number 5. Step number 5 is the remove duplicate record from the table. Excel should find and remove the 8 duplicate record. Remove the duplicate record from the table. Go to the table design and select the remove duplicate record. Click select all. Click OK. A duplicate value found and remove 81 unique value remain. Note that count might include empty cell space etc. Click OK. Excel should the find and remove the 8 duplicate record. Step number 5 is complete. So the next step is step number 6. Add a new column. Add a new column in a column. I name is days on a market. Add the new column. Go to the Excel worksheet. Add a new column and copy the column name days on a market. Press enter. Use the unqualified structure reference to the calculate the days, market, sale dates, manage listening date. In the column I, set the column I is with 14. Type is equal to sale date minus listening date. Sale date minus listening date. Date minus listening date. Press enter button. In the column I, set the column I with this 14. My is 14. Select the column, right click and column with this 14. Type of 14, click OK. Step number 6 is a complete. So the next step is step number 7. Step number 7 is apply the total row to the sale table. Go to the table design and select the total row. Apply the total row sale table and set the selling price and days on a market to the average. Go to the selling price, scroll down. Selling price and days on a market total to average. Click average. Selling price okay, and days on a market. Days on a market is total to average. Total to sum to average. So step number 7 is complete.